Most skincare routines start with layers of products, but we keep it simple, just the way skincare should be. Introducing our flagship product, StepZero Age Reversing Powder. After cleansing your skin morning or night, StepZero is the very first product you apply to your skin. Think of it as the foundation, the true StepZero to any skincare routine. Opening the container, twist the sifter, and with a few taps, allow the powder to disperse into the lid. Grab the applicator of your choice and press it into the lid to pick up the powder. As you gently apply StepZero to your skin, focus on covering the areas most prone to showing signs of aging, like the forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, neck, and even back of hands. When you're finished, simply place the applicator back into the lid and the lid onto the container. With StepZero applied, follow with the hydrator or moisturizer of your choice to usher the age-reversing particles deep into your skin. We recommend using Hydrique. Your skin is now prepped for the remainder of your routine, as 24's StepZero fights the skin aging process 24/7. It's as simple as that. Prepare to see real results from a clean, minimalist formula.